A burial service was held Friday for 7 of the 14 persons who died in the tragic APPIATSE explosion, which happened 20th January 2022. 15-month Ella Baidoo was one of the 7 who were laid to rest after the service at APPIATSE Park. Theodora, the 24-year-old mother of the 15-month-old baby Ella Baidoo, received 2,000 Ghana cedis cash donation from Mrs. Barbara Otinjesi, board chairperson of Minerals Commission, the Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Mr. Benito Owusu, Member of Parliament for Prestia Huni Valley, Mr. Robert Wisdom Kujo, and other dignitaries showed their sympathies to the bereaved families. Mr. Benito Owusu, in a message of condolence to the bereaved families on behalf of the government, assured the people of President Akufo-Addo's commitment to the reconstruction of the APPIATSE community. He added the need to immediately find another place for those displaced by the explosion and currently living in tents but are being beaten by the rain. He was emphatic that the APPIATSE community will be reconstructed within 12 months.
Within 12 months,
Last weekend, 4 of the deceased were buried in their respective hometowns. 2 remaining bodies are yet to be buried, according to the committee set up to ensure the successful journey to the ancestral homes. The residents, majority of whom are farmers, mine workers, and petty traders, are still counting their losses, and others nursing their wounds sustained from the explosion.